Hello friends, welcome to our channel Meet the Flavors. So puja season has started and in this festive season you need to impress your guests, your family members with different kind of new dishes. So today I am gonna share with you a very unique dish with spiny gourd and it's a stuffed spiny gourd curry और हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं ककोड़ा और कंटेला का करी। मैंने ये डिश एक बंगाली रेसिपी से इंस्पायर्ड होके किया हूँ, वो है परवल का दोरमा एंड इन बंगाली इट्स कॉल्ड पोटोलेट दोरमा। तो आई एम गोना फॉलो द सेम वे ऑफ पोटोलेट दोरमा बट विद डिफरेंट इंग्रेडिएंट्स। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो स्टफ्ड ककोड़ा करी बनाने के लिए यहाँ पे मैंने 5 ककोड़ा लिया है और इसका जो रफ स्किन है वो मैंने पील कर लिया है। Now just we need to clean the inner portions. So उसके लिए हमें अच्छे से कुरेद के ये जो अंदर का पोर्शन है वो साफ़ कर लेना होगा। जो भी सीड्स वगैरह है वो बाहर करके हम अंदर के पोर्शन को अच्छे से साफ़ कर लेंगे ताकि यहाँ पे हम लोग स्टफिंग डाल सके। But these portions we will not waste it. We will use it in our stuffing. So for that just need to take it out and remove the seeds from it and we will use this portion for our stuffing just like this. And here you can see I have just cleaned the inner sections. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो मैंने इस ककोड़े को और स्पाइनी गट्स को अच्छे से साफ़ कर लिया है अंदर से और जो भी कुरेद के निकाला है वो बीच साफ़ करने के बाद इतना पोर्शंस हमें मिला है। सो वी विल यूज़ इट फॉर स्टफिंग। सो नाउ वी जस्ट नीड टू फ्राई दिस स्पाइनी गट्स एंड फॉर दैट हियर आई हैव टेकन 2 tablespoons ऑफ मस्टर्ड ऑयल एंड आई विल हीट इट अप। Then I will add the spiny guts on that hot oil one by one and we will fry this all until this becomes softened. Now just need to add some spices like salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder, the basic spices for flavor, and we will fry it around 7 to 8 minutes on low medium flame, and you can also cover it up for quick result like this. Now you can see it's already fried, so I will just take it out from the pan. So now it's time to prepare the stuffing, and for that in a mixer bowl I will take these inner portions without seeds. Then I will add some chopped garlics, some chopped ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies. Then I will also add 3 to 4 cashews, few around 10 to 12 black pepper, 1 teaspoon khaskhas or poppy seeds. Then mix it well and make a good paste like this and keep it aside. Now we need to cook the stuffing, and for that I will use 1 small onion chopped and I will just fry it up until it gets good golden color. Fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then I will add this grated potato, and here I have taken 1 potato and grated it and mix this well with this onion. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes until it soaks all the oil. All are mixed. Now it's time to add that mixture. So just add those mixtures and again you need to cook it for 5 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar. It's totally optional, you can skip it. Now add some other spices like red chili powder, salt, and mix this well like this and cover it up. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can see the mixture started separating oil from it, so it's well cooked right now. So again 1 to 2 minutes you just need to cook it like this, and then your stuffing is ready. Now just let it cool down for few minutes, then we will pour this stuffing into that fried spiny gourds like this, and we need to pour it from both the sides. Yes, and the stuffed spiny gourds are ready. Now it's time to prepare the gravy, and for that I will use 2 tablespoons of mustard oil on that same pan, then 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and few chopped garlic cloves, and we will just saute it to get a good flavor for a few seconds, around 30 seconds, and then we will add chopped onion, and here totally I have used 2 onions, one for stuffing and one for gravy. Just saute this well to get a good golden color. Then add 1 finely chopped tomato. Just give a good mix like this. Now sprinkle some black salt, some black pepper, and then other spices like salt, sugar, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and red chili powder, all 1 teaspoon each. Now mix this well. Now cook it with the cover, and after 2 to 3 minutes you can see the spices started separating oil from it, so it's well cooked right now. So to avoid burning the spices, we just need to add a little bit of water into it like this. Around 2 to 3 tablespoons of water I have added. Now mix this well and cook it for further few minutes. So just after 2 to 3 minutes, open the lid and you can see the base of gravy is well cooked now, and it's ready for further process. And just mix it well little bit, and then we will use 1 cup of beaten yogurt or curd. Mix it well. There should not be any lump into it, so mix this very well to get a good flavor and texture. Now add few more water and mix this well and cook it for further 3 to 4 minutes. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, just open the lid and you can see the gravy is totally ready, and just low down the flame and add those stuffed spine gourds into that gravy. You don't need to further cook it because the stuffing and spine gourds are already cooked. Just let it be there for a few minutes, around 1 to 2 minutes, to get the flavors from the gravy, and then take this out from the gravy and put that gravy on it and start plating. So friends, this stuffed spine gourd curry is completely ready to serve. I will suggest you to please try at your home and serve this to your family members and the guests, and they are gonna love it. It's a guarantee. And if you have any further comments or if you have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section. I will answer all of these. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to click the like button and share it with others, and don't forget to support our channel by subscribing us, and please press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.